Hey guys, Joey Vegas Detect. I got a little confusion that I'm trying to clarify and clear up for you. I have some subscribers asking me, is it true that Calico has detectors ready to ship according to their website? And I was about to make this video yesterday, but I wanted to confirm with credible sources, so I called Andy at WeDig, and Andy he is an authorized agent dealer, and he's also a authorized repair center for Makro. Okay, and if anybody's going to have anything with good information, it's definitely going to be Andy. I trust that. And I asked him what's going on here with Calico. Their website right here shows that there's 452 units currently available, and it was up to 472, I believe, a day or two ago. And I was like, is it true that they actually have those units ready to go? And going down here, as I scroll down to the bottom, even though it says right there that there's 452 currently in stock, I scroll down to the bottom, and if you read right along here, it says that the purchase gets you in line for one of the first new machines. This is, when we receive the detectors at our warehouse, we will begin shipping them as soon as possible. Because of supply chain issues, we cannot guarantee when these will arrive or how many we will receive. So it's not on the way right now. They don't have it in stock. I'm assured that no one has it in stock. Andy spoke directly with Nokta Makro, and he says that DLEC explained to him nobody is getting preferential treatment, whether you're a small dealer, a big dealer, whatever. Nobody's in bed with Nokta to get these detectors first. Fact of the matter is, the dealers are going to get their field units this week to actually test and play with them and check out all the features so that they know what's going on. And being that Andy is an actual Nokta Makro repair facility, he's going to have one of these units. So good information's here. Okay, so you guys know, first, I believe that if they're going to start shipping this out in mid-December to the dealers, filling the orders and getting them out, you're probably not going to see any of this stuff until the first of the year. I mean, real talk, to actually get a detector in your hand probably won't be till the first of the year. Okay, so understand, folks, what you're getting right now. If you go to these sites, you're not going, no matter what they say. I don't know why Calico would put on there that they have 432 units in stock. Like I said, in stock means that it's on the shelf, ready to pull, put a label on it, and ship it to you. And if that's not the case, they shouldn't be saying that they have it in stock. That's just ridiculous. Okay, pre-order waitlist only. Nobody has the detectors in stock. So in the meantime, I would suggest you guys bust out the Simplex and swing that for the remainder of the year until this new stuff is out and you can finally get one sent to your door. Alright, so anyways, folks, that's all I have for you. Just a quick little update and clarification to this whole who has detectors, who doesn't have debacle. The fact is, across the board, there's no preferential treatment. No dealers have stock. It's all pre-order. Cool? Alright, guys, thank you for tuning in. I will get back to you on my next video. You guys have a good evening. Bye now.